we need now to discuss a bit about the projects that we are going to do during the end of the week. And we already put on the board a number of projects. There are 10 possibilities. Just to see how it comes. David, where would you like to work here?
Carrots.
On carrots. Okay, so David. Okay. Mona.
We discussed with David. I wanted to suggest Brussels sprouts, maybe.
Brussels sprout? Yeah. Okay.
If you think it's a good option.
We need. Okay. Let me see. It may be a bit difficult because the branching system is a bit hidden in the plant. We will need to, and LPI might not be the best tool in order to make this type of model. So maybe we need to discuss a bit this together to see what could be a point of focus in the development of this. Okay, but you were mentioning saffrons this morning. Is it of interest to you? It's to you. So Nabil here. Other options, or we wait to discuss on the Brussels sprouts?
Radish, maybe.
Like I think Mona had two interests. One is she was interested in modeling the external factors.
Yes.
But as I told her, it's difficult to have something which makes some difference visually interesting, because for example, if you change temperature, it will change the logistic curve, but it doesn't. It makes the plant smaller or bigger, but it's not very interesting in terms of visual rendering. But well, still, this is one of her interests, and the other is to populate the database of vegetable plants for.
Okay.
For.
But why not choosing then some vegetables that are growing like a bit branching vegetables? Like carrots would be one, but you could have beans or peppers or.
Yeah.
Look a bit at beans, peppers, cucumbers.
Yeah.
And okay, you look a bit on the web, and then we see this. Nabil would be saffrons. Okay. Jeanne.
So mosses, but yeah.
But you would like to work on other things as well.
Yeah, well, I mean, there is still the option of me going around, but I don't know if I would be very useful.
Yes. Actually, you can be on this, and then also have a look on the other exercises. Okay. So Jeanne would be here. Maybe I should take as well something. I will see.
You're with Fab, right?
Oh yes, I'm with Fabrice. Okay, okay. So I will be. Where is the stuff for Fabrice? Four. Okay, so this is Fab and Christophe. Okay. How about Arthur?
Maybe either 3 with noise.
In Kenopodium, yes. So it's an already existing model, and how to introduce noise in already existing model. Okay.
Or 7, but it might be a bit complicated.
Yeah. Mechanical bending of a full tree. So this would consist in taking the example. I don't remember which number that we saw this morning, and then making the branching system a bit more complicated and see what sort of problems are coming. So it might not be so complicated. But okay, so you still hesitate between the two.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's put Arthur and Arthur, and then we like this. Then André Claude, pardon.
I was thinking, because the underlying technique might be similar, the self-avoidance and the gradients, the external gradients.
External gradients here. Okay. Would you like to start with something? If you
Well, it's-
want to start.
Yeah, well, I could start with the self-avoidance. Because,
Okay. Okay.
could use the growth model.
Oh, I don't know why I'm writing your name in the other opposite order. Sorry. It feels to me that it would be better in this order. Okay. And Cara?
Yes. What about sunflower?
Sunflower head.
Yes.
It would be a more. So you have the head of the flower. You would need to model the spiral arrangement of the flowers, and then to model each of individual flowers, because the sunflower head is an inflorescence. So you would need to, and this would make, and then you would open the flower according to their age, and this would propagate a wave of opening over the flower head. This is what you see in nature.
Okay. And the first one, inflorescence architecture model.
Oh yes, this I didn't explain. Maybe some of you might be interested. No. So, you remember that we discussed a bit the architecture of trees, essentially, in the first day. And I had a book from Australian guys, Australian botanists. I need to. I will give you. Oh, by the way, before the end of the school, I will gather all the bibliographic items that are of interest to you and that were used to produce the element of this course, and I will give them to you. So, in particular, this book. I don't remember exactly the name of this of the botanist that wrote the book, but I will give you the reference to the book. So, so you see, they have sort of schematized different forms, architectures of inflorescences. So you have a spike, which is a leaf and lateral flowers with no development of axis. You have raceme, which is a development of lateral flowers but with less and less big structures. You have panicle, where you have lateral branches that themselves give birth to other branches with a main leader. And here so these are all monopodial and these are sympodial. So the idea of this project, and this may be a huge project that it can be shared with other people, could be to reproduce these drawings in 3 dimensions with the computer. And then we could replace all the spheres by actual flowers. You could, if you want to go up to that stage. So you have the main architecture, and then you can imagine that if you replace this by a flower from a specific species, then you would have a plant from the species. So how about this? Mm-hmm. Anybody else interested by this? You don't need to do all of them, huh? I mean, you do what you can do. This might be fun. I would choose this one.
This I could do it with somebody else, so then we can discuss the solution.
Okay.
I could too.
Would you like to work together on this? Could be nice to have at least one binom of people, because I think the interaction might help. Cara?
Yes, I may choose the 8 and
8?
yes. And,
Yes. Cara?
Why not 7 in case Arthur choose.
So Arthur, Would you prefer to work together with André Claude on this?
Well, I can, so.
So what okay. You need to make I mean, it's your project, it's not mine.
But make a decision.
If you need more information, I can try to give you. So, Cara, you are satisfied with Sunflower?
Yes, but in case Arthur choose another project, yes.
You can. I mean, independently of Arthur, because you would either you work together on the same stuff, which would be okay, or you work together on the same project and you would have your different solutions.
Okay. Yes.
So 7 would be better for you,
Yes.
for you, Arthur. Okay, Cara. So, Arthur, should I leave you on this, or you prefer something else?
Would you work together or?
Yes. Yes.
André Claude, it's okay. You stay on this.
Yeah, I can say that if someone is willing to, maybe Jean, you can find some time to.
Yeah, actually, maybe I was thinking maybe I can save Mosses for later and work with André Claude on inflorescence.
Okay, so this would be for later. Tchouk. And this would be André Claude. And Jeanne. Like this, okay. And now you are satisfied. We need to discuss together. So Arthur and Cara,
Yeah.
do you want to make up your mind? And while I'm discussing with. Okay. So we can. So you can start to maybe move. I mean, Jeanne and André Claude might be better if you are together. And yeah. And now I discuss a bit with Mona.